Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. Here's your opportunity to own this rare and distinctive Bimota DB6 Delirio, the Italian naked bike that combines Ducati's 1000cc twin engine with Bimota's lightweight frame and premium components. With only 8,466 kilometers, it is considered low mileage for its age, enhancing its appeal to collectors and enthusiasts. Hand-built in Italy, the DB6 showcases Bimota's renowned engineering and design. With the limited production numbers make it a rare find, often appealing to collectors. This has just had a full service including the timing belts. We can deliver this bike to anywhere in the UK. We also offer a wide range of finance. For more information on this rare gem, please call us on 0142 444 48 or email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk.